Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kettleman Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to type in a circle. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we proceed, I want you to make sure you have the ruler here. So if you don't see your ruler here, you can press Ctrl R to show the ruler here. So when you press it, it disappears. Press it again and it appears. We are moving to the second step. Drag the ruler horizontally. When it gets to the center, it freezes. Then release it. If it doesn't freeze, go to view option and make sure the snap is checked. Let's also drag from the vertical point. When it gets to the center, it will freeze. When it freezes, then leave it. Our next option is to select the circle and make sure the path is checked. Now make sure you click in the center. Drag your circle. Don't release it. Drag it and make sure you press Alt and Shift. Automatically it will center it. Keep on expanding it until it's okay for you. Now you can release it. So our next step is to pick the text tool, horizontal text tool, or you can hit T on your keyboard. So now we are going to type. Make sure you click on the outside. The moment the cursor changes, this is not the right way, this is the right way. So now you can click and type anything you want. Let's say Kettleman Studios. Okay, now we have the type 2. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring the Kettleman top. So let's select the path selection tool. So click on it. And make sure you click on this icon and then you push it. Keep on pushing it. This is the end point, so make sure you push it. This is the starting point. Keep on pushing it. And now it's okay. So you can make sure you can click on the center for it to center it. If you don't see this, you can go to Windows, then you click character. It will show here. Click on paragraph. You can center it here. Now you have your text in the circle. The next thing we are going to do is to type another one down. So we are going to duplicate this layer, the Kettleman layer. So Ctrl J to duplicate it. So Control J to duplicate it. And now we are going to disable the first one. Now with the Control J, let's pick the path 2 and push it. Push this one. Make sure you extend the end. So with this one, just push it inside. So now you have your kettlement inside. And now we are going to type different things. So let's pick the type 2 and highlight everything. Let's say tutorial. Okay, so let's enable this one. Now it's okay, but with the tutorials it's in the white, so press Ctrl T to transform it. Ctrl T. Make sure you hold the Alt and extend it till you see the extension exactly on the T. Then you release it. So now let's pick the path selection tool and push it to the center. I think it's okay. So now we can click on the center. Now we have Kettlement Studios. The tutorials is in the center and the Kettlement is also there. So now we are going to do some corrections here. The Kettlement, the spellings is wrong, so let's pick our horizontal type 2 and edit it. So let's pick off 1T. Yeah, so now everything is okay. So now we can delete our horizontal line, our ruler. So you can select the pick tool and click on it. Click on it and drag it back into your ruler. Click on this one, drag it back into your ruler, and this is finally what you have. If you haven't subscribed to this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.